Boom, boom, boom. E te iwi, tēnā rā koutou katoa. Koutou kua hono mai ki tēnei kārere o te kurimako o Taranaki. Ko te kaupapa kōrero mo te rānei, ko te Wānanga o Aotearoa. Nei. Mea rātou nei mahi ki konei, ki raru I te maru o tō tātou nei tau eke maunga. Nau mai, haere mai e James Tautuku, tēti o aku tino bros since mai rā no, o tira ki tō tātou nei tuahine a Stacey. Here to talk about the 2026 study options at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. Tēnā koe te tuahine, tēnā hoki koe e te parata nau mai ki Wanganui a tātou.
Tēnā koe.
Morena.
Morena, how are you this morning?
Tēnō pai rau atu.
Rau e te tūtaki ia kōrua, me o mahi katoa ki raro I tō tātou nei tau eke maunga, me te ako, me te hāpai ngā taura, me te hāpai hoki I ngā mātauranga o te reo Māori, me ona tikanga no reira e te tokorua, tēnā kōrua. First and foremost, e hoa mā, you can join these beautiful people that you see on your screen at the upcoming information sessions and to also discover the vibrant learning community that Te Wānanga o Aotearoa offers. E te tohine, Stace, what's that all about and when are those information sessions happening?
Ka pai, morena kia tātou, tēnā koe he hoa. Yes, so today, this morning, in a couple of hours, we have got our first info session starting at 10 o'clock. An information session with all of our kaimahi that will be present to give a bit of a blurb, a bit of a kōrero regarding our up-and-coming programs for 2026. So really they're just coming in, whānau can come in, hapori come in, and just have a listen of what sort of programs we have to offer for the up-and-coming year. We've had our programs now open for about the last 2 months, and so they are filling up. So this is really one of the last opportunities to hopefully get our whānau into a space of education, transformation for them and their whānau. So there's a variety of programs from te reo, so from level 1 to level 7, we've got te ara reo Māori, he pika pao, he pika rere, which is our level 1 and 2, level 3 and 4. Then we go into our rumaki programs, which is te pūtaketanga o te reo, which is level 4, te rōnakitanga ki te reo kairangi, level 5, te aupikitanga ki te reo kairangi, level 6, and te pīnakitanga ki te reo kairangi, level 7. And we're really honoured to have all of these programs in our whare. So tēnā, haramai, he te iti te rai. We've also got rāranga, our taumata tuarima. So we've got a level 5 rāranga program starting next year, which is also noho based. And so are our rumaki programs for te reo Māori. They are also noho based. Then we have rongoā. So we've got rongoā again next year with our one of our trained kaiako. And that is taumata whā, level 4. Then we've got our two new programs, which are Te Aki Taonga. And we just started that program this year in Ngāmotu. It was a pilot program, but kua mana. And we're really honoured here in Taranaki to bring that program in. And that's delivered by 2 of our kaiako here. So Te Aki Taonga and also Manu Taiko, Māori Governance. Those are our 2 new programs that we've got coming in. We've also got home-based programs and business programs that are online. But if you want to know more, tēnā, haramai, hei te tikau karaka I te atanei, o tia ono karaka hei te pō. So we've got an info session at 10 o'clock this morning and another one at 6 o'clock tonight.
That's mean, and it might feel as though it's a lot to digest, e wā mā, and that's why we're encouraging you all to attend one of these information sessions. The good thing is that one is happening today at 10 o'clock, and one is also happening later on for all of you fellas and falestas who might be heading to work and thinking, man, I could really go to one of these. And of course, there will be some other dates which you can head to the Te Wānanga o Aotearoa Facebook page. They've got all the information sessions and times and dates dates, right through till next year, e tātou mā. So if you miss out today, kei te pai, plenty more opportunities for you to go and check that out and meet the kaiako at Te Wānanga Aotearoa, doing the best down there and making sure that you're all informed, you know how to enroll and you know how to get onto some of these programs. Now, I just want to touch on a couple of these programs. You talked about the Te Aki Taonga, Te Tohu Te Aki Taonga, which is the level 5. And, you know, just over Friday last week, I spoke about a waka that was just discovered on whenua are Tikorangi. And kei pōhehe tātou, ko ngā taonga ke. But we often just think as taonga as like taonga, like no mai rano. But taonga is different in terms of waiata, in terms of kōrero, in terms of wakapapa. Wakamohi o mai tēnā āhuatanga o tēnei tohu?
So I tika rawa au kōrero. This program, I think a lot of our hapu iwi, hapori Māori, Pākehī Māori have been crying out for a program like this for some time. A lot of our taonga are being stored in whare taonga. Pera kia pukiari kia Aotearoa utanga nui ki te pātea. And those are where our taonga stay. And some of them stay dormant and forgotten for some time. It's now talking about our whānau and trying to give our whānau hapu, marae, those skills, those pukenga, to bring those taonga back into our own spaces. We are the kaitiaki of our taonga. So we need to get those pukenga to come into our whare and teach us how do we take care of our taonga, i.e. whakapapa, kōrero, waiata, other than being in archive boxes put into a whare, into a storage room. How do we utilise them? How do we best look after these taonga so that, you know, ka ora tonu. Ka ora tonu e nei kōrero, e nei waiata, e nei taonga, haere ake nei. So, yeah, we're really honoured to have that program within our whare of Te Wānanga Aotearoa here at Ngāmotu Wharekura. So, yeah, by all means, if you're interested in wanting to know how to look after your korowai, how to look after patu, how to look after piu-piu, rather than just putting them in a stocking, putting them in a bag and waiting until the next round of hakas that comes around, tēnā, come and be a part of this kaupapa.
Amazing. There's definitely been a resurgence of people taking up te reo Māori, and it goes right back to te reo taranaki and things like, and resources like he pūranga tākupua taranaki, and all those different resources that our forefathers and foremothers, I should say, have really contributed to te reo o taranaki. You've got several programs on there, and I mean, a lot of these programs, they fill up quite fast. What would be the encouragement to Māori mā, anyone actually, who tune in to take up some of these courses?
Kau te mōhio pū tātou ki ngā tuāhuatanga o te wā. And he waua mō tātou. Ngā pakangaka e huri āmio i tō tātou ao huri tēnei wātonu. E rangi. Ko te no tātou te reo. You know, that's our taonga, and that's one way we can tū Māori mai me ki. So in terms of that, in terms of our reo and te whakarauorotanga o te reo, we know that there's so many new initiatives happening around our hapori and community and hapu iwi, where we are taking it back into our own spaces, just like our Te Aki Taonga program. We've now got iwi and hapu that are doing their own Māori, te reo Māori courses, looking at their strategic plans, their succession plans for te reo within their own hapu iwi spaces. And beautiful, you know, all we can do is tautoko. For us as our kaupapa, we can only tautoko where maybe we can't continue to, or we can't hold higher leveled reo classes. So a lot of our Rūmaki programs, which starts from level 4 to level 7, we are targeting our real speakers there. No, so our kaiako e kohanga reo, e kura kaupapa, e whare kura, whare Wānanga, Pākihi, and Pākihi Māori, you know, ia rātou ke te reo. But heaha tētahi hōtaka, tētahi kaupapa e whakatena ai te reo, e whakangungu ana i te reo. So hopefully within that space, we're able to offer a space here for those kaimahi that, you know, aren't sitting dormant, or they are sitting a little bit meh, and just need a bit of a whana, a bit of a whakapakari i te reo. And I'm saying that with my as nice as I can. It's
aroha. It's coming through the screen there, sis. And no, he tika te kōrero because I te rongo au te kōrero from Pānia Papa me te aki. Rātou e tū ana ki nei tūranga a roto ngā karahe, roto i ngā wāhi mahi puta ana te reo, kia kaha te hiki i te reo. So koe nei te tehi huarahi mā tata katoa, myself included, e wā. They say broken English. Oh, you want to listen to my show every 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, Monday to Friday, fam, and here's some broken Māori. So koe a te pia te aki ki tātou. E hapai ana te reo, kia uru atu ki enei karahe, kia hiki ai te taumata, kia hiki ai te tino ia, te tino ngako te reo Māori. So kia ora, mena wakamarama, e te tuahine. Brother, you're sitting over there nodding your head, and I can tell you're dying to say something on this. So let's bring you in here, because another kaupapa that is happening, and, you know, we can get serious as we like whānau, but cool kaupapa that is happening is a bit of a whānau movie night, brother. What's that all about?
Yeah, so the movie night, we just thought, what can we do to bring our hapori to our space, to kind of some of our hapori I've noticed since I've been working with Ngāmotu wharekura, is that they didn't realize we were still here. So we were thinking of ways like, how can we bring the community to our site to kind of show them, here we are, we're still here, we're alive and thriving. And I thought, what better way than to run a movie night? And because for those of you that don't know, my name is James. I'm the marketing and recruitment advisor for Te Wānanga Aotearoa, and specifically our Taranaki campus. So I get to deal with these cool sort of kaupapa. I get to be the guy that runs around with our brand and get to meet all you guys out there in the hapori. So if you see me around, come and have a chat with me. But specifically for this kaupapa, we're going to set up a big movie screen in our car park where anyone can come along. It's free. It's a free event. They get to watch a free movie in kanto, in te reo Māori. Come and hear some kōrero about our programs and about who we are. You might even get to hear some cool-ass kōrero about the whakapapa of our place, and, you know, a bit of hitori kōrero about Te Wānanga Aotearoa, specifically Ngāmotu wharekura. Get to meet some kaiko, and also, just for those of you like myself that love a good kai, we're also running a free sausage sizzle as well.
Sausage sizzle that you were struggling to get there one. Now they are there, but all good. The whānau movie night you can see up on your screens right now. E wāma and kanto reo Māori. I actually I was going to audition for this. I didn't audition for it, but I was going to because I like all those words on there. 20 Manakohi Street in Spotswood ki Ngāmotu e wāma on Friday, the 12th of December from 7:30 p.m. Free event. What else should people do or bring to that event there, Brother James?
Yeah, so bear in mind in Te Whānau, it is in our car park. So please bring you a comfortable seat, whether that be a picnic blanket or a camping chair. Bring you a picnic as well. Even though we have a free sausage sizzle, you are more than welcome to bring your own picnic kai. You're more than, just please no alcohol or anything like that. We are a place of hoe water, so yeah, just let's keep it family friendly. But yeah, bring you a kai, bring you something warm, bring a blanket to wrap yourself in, and just enjoy the night.
That's mean. That is mean. And what a great way to invite the whole community. This is not just for the people who view this. If you've got whānau out there and, you know, times are hard and they want a free sausage sizzle, see, I'm struggling to get that out too. If they want a free kai and come and enjoy that whānau atmosphere, maybe even be encouraged to sign up to one of the courses. E whāma, there you go, 12th of December at 20 Manakohi in Spotswood ki Ngāmotu. A bit of a movie night for you in the whānau, and take your whānau mātua along as well. I'm sure they would enjoy that. What other things are happening within the campus, Miki, and how can people come to visit you and check out these courses?
Ka pai. Well, yeah, koia. Kei rua tekau Manakohi Street, mātou. Our whare, our doors are always open and open to whānau and friends community. So please come through and yeah, be a part of it. Be a part of the kaupapa.
There you go. For more information and to enrol for any of the courses being offered in 2026. I've been on the website, whānau mā, and I'm telling you, it goes from like level 1 right through to level 7 te pīnakitanga ki te reo kairangi, which is obviously up there. And of course, not to dismiss any of the other reo programs that are happening out there as well. If you can't get into one of these, e wā mā, there will be another opportunity elsewhere. Of course, our whanaunga over at WIT as well. Give them a quick plug, doing the most with their maki reo and everything like that. And it's about mahi ngā tahi. Not mahi tahi, it's all about mahi ngā tahi. Nō reira, te tokorua. Anything else that you want to plug while we're here?
Yeah, if anyone out there is still, like you were saying, needing more information, you can see there where our website is. But if there's any burning questions or you just want to have a nosy just because you're a bit of a curious cat, you're more than welcome to come on down and say hello. Doors always open Monday to Friday. And if you can't find me, any of our kaimahi will be more than happy to talk to you.
Mainez. So there's information sessions once again, whānau mā, tonight happening at 20 Manakohi from 10 a.m. this morning, which is very shortly. So you can head up there if you've got nothing to do on a Monday. If you took the day off, good on you. It might be a he tohu there. And again, happening at 6 o'clock. Head over to their Facebook page as well, where you can find out all the information, session dates and times. And again, if you're wanting to check out any of these programs, hit up www.twoa.ac.nz or go and see the Sis Stace and the Bro James down at 20 Manakohi. Tēnā rā kōrua me e nā kōrero miharo hei hiki te wairoa mō tēnei rāhina. I'll see you fellas at Taranaki tū mai.
Koea pū.
Ooh,